How to cut bias tape. Fabric cut on the bias stretches around curves without wrinkles or puckers. Tools needed: rotary cutter, quilting ruler with a 45-degree line. A ruler with proper measurement markings is beneficial for keeping the strip width accurate and uniform. Step 1. Line up the 45-degree line on the quilting ruler with the selvage edge of your fabric. Step 2. Cut along the edge of the ruler to create a perfect 45-degree cut. Step 3. Make sure that your ruler is aligned with the new diagonal edge of your fabric from top to bottom before cutting your strips. How to connect strips of bias tape. Step 1. Cut off the diagonal edges of the strips to make a straight edge. Step 2. Line up the two strips at perpendicular 90-degree angles to one another. Right sides together, line up the edges, short edge of one strip lined up with the long edge of the next strip. Tip: cut ½ an inch 1.3 centimeters above the corner edges. This is for seam allowance. Step 3. Sew diagonally across the corners. Step 4. Trim the seams down 1/4. Step 5. Press the seams open with an iron. You've now connected your bias tape strips. How to use a bias tape maker for double fold tape. Cut on the bias to produce a strip to the dimensions specified on the bias tape maker package. Tip: cutting the end of the strip into a point may help guide it through the maker. Guide the short edge of the fabric onto the wide end of the bias tape maker. Gently pull the tape maker down the length of the fabric strip, pressing the folds flat with an iron as you go. To anchor, pin the end of the fabric piece to the ironing board. This will make it easier to create the tape, as pressing can be done with both hands. After the first folds are made, fold the tape in half again, with the raw edges enclosed, and continue to press with an iron. You've now created the bias tape.